Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen while logging. To know how to fix Instagram black screen while logging on your phone, you should just go to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and you will click like this. Then you can go down to find the application of Instagram. Here you will find the application of Instagram like this, and then here you will go to force stop. When you will click force stop, then you can go to storage and you will click, and after that you will find this page and you will click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.